Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just going to do a quick intro into this video because I am feeling my results from using these products. It is my updated curly hair routine and I'm using products from Meow Organics. I have used the hair milk before and I've been in love with it, and I actually forgot to tell you guys about it. That product is really good. I got it back when I was in New York years ago and I'm so happy to have it again. I got the products from the Treasure Tress box, and Meow Organics, I have to say I am sorry for sleeping on you guys because these results are just everything right now. Definition, softness, lightness, moisturize. I know you're probably thinking, what did you use? How did you do it? So let's just get straight into the video. First off, I'm starting by co-washing with the Meow Organics Detangling Co-Wash, which, as it says on the bottle, it's for detangling. So I just apply it to my roots, give it a little bit of a massage, and then I work my way through the hair detangling with as much product as I can. I found it quite thick, and I am doing my co-wash outside of the shower just for the sake of filming it for you guys, but I would usually do this whilst I am in the shower, which will make it not as thick since the water will be running and it will just loosen up the product a bit more. So I do recommend doing this while your hair is soaking wet in the shower or over the tub. After that's washed out, I then go in with the moisturizing hair milk, and guys, let me tell you, this hair milk is everything. Like I said earlier, I did try it in America and I loved it, and as you can see here, it's just really moisturizing and it's quite lightweight and light hold. I wouldn't say it really styles the hair, that's why I like to go in again with another product. But if you're looking for a moisturizer or like a hair milk or something that just is needed for moisture throughout the week, I definitely recommend this product, guys. As you can see here, my hair is loving it. It's very moisturizing, great ingredients. I love avocado, so an avocado hair milk is perfect for me, and my hair looks amazing with it. So I absolutely love this product and it's the favorite from the line so far. Now, next I finally was able to try this ginger and honey styling gel. I have seen this product on Instagram from loads of different influencers and bloggers, and I've been dying to try it, so I'm so happy that I got my hands on it. And as you can see here, I am using quite a generous amount, but I did realize that the products don't really mix well together. Even though I'm getting quite good results here, I just felt like the products weren't really meant to be used together, and that's my fault. I didn't really see anywhere that they are meant to be used together. I just assumed that I could put it on top of it, but I reckon you could probably use the styling gel alone. I think with my hair it might make it a bit hard with that just alone, but I need to find the perfect combination for the styling gel. You can kind of tell here because look at the bits, it hasn't mixed together well at all with the hair milk, so I will not be using these two together again. Regardless of that, I am still in love with my results and I'm loving Meow Organics. So thank you for watching my curly hair routine. Please subscribe and I'll catch you soon.